Hello guys, it's me again. I'll be doing another unboxing for another Coach bag. It's called Lora bucket bag with wildflower print. So this arrived today. I'm pushing for Coach because Coach is really good value for the money, and they can have very good sales happening. Especially today. Especially these days, they've been having lots of bags on sale, and I was really looking for the right bag because this one here, this is a Louis Vuitton, and it's way too big for the stuff I carry. When I go out. And this one, bought by my husband. This is a Salvatore Ferragamo. It's too small, all right? I don't know what to put there, but thanks, husband, for buying me that anyway. So,
dabba dabba da dip dabba da dabba dabba da dip dabba da dabba dabba da dip dabba da dip dabba da dip dabba da dabba 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 dabba da. This is your night, dancing free until the morning light, together forever, 'cause this is your night, and everything is gonna be alright. Oh yeah, so in love with you. Oh yeah, it's too good to be true. Oh yeah, feeling so brand new. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
woohoo!
You captured my heart, you're the key to my life, a vision of our love that made me survive. Regaining the mood that we're in, it's so real. It's time to move up and to face what I feel. Oh, this is your night, dancing free until the morning light, together forever, 'cause this is your night, and everything is gonna be alright. Oh yeah, so in love with you. Oh yeah, it's too good to be true. Oh yeah, feeling so brand new. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Tonight with my spirits, the one that you call, I'm ready to stand up and ready to fall. I can't run away, so attracted by you. Let me be your girl, I'll be so true. Oh, this is your night, dancing free until the morning light, together forever, 'cause this is your night, and everything is gonna be alright. Oh yeah, so in love with you. Oh yeah, it's too good to be true. Oh yeah, feeling so brand new. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Dabba dabba da dip dabba da dabba dabba da dip dabba da dabba dabba da dip dabba da dip dabba da till the morning light, together forever, 'cause this is your night, and everything is gonna be alright.
Wow!
Oh
Look at
yeah,
that!
so in love with you. Oh yeah,
See that?
it's too good to be true. Oh
And it
yeah,
has a really nice,
feeling so brand new. Oh yeah,
and you can use it as a crossbody. Let's see. Here. This is really nice bag here.
you captured my heart, you're the key to my life, a vision of our
Wow.
love that made me
It's really
survive.
nice.
Regaining the
Woohoo.
mood that we're in, it's so real.
See that?
It's time to move up and to face what I feel.
Again. Okay,
This is your
let's see, huh? Because this is usually what I put on my bag, and it's way too small for this. I can assure you that. Normally, glasses, my sunglasses, very important. My usual reading glasses. Tissues. Umbrella, this is England, so we need to bring umbrella. Place on the time. A little bit of munchies, just in case I get hungry. Lipstick. Wallet. Mask. And phone, which Hank is using at the moment to, okay. This is what I normally put. You know, in my bag. And look, it all fits there. My goodness, it will never fit on this bag. That is way too big. And this is just perfect. Perfect, huh? So perfect. Thank you again for watching.